Hello, sir. What's up?
Yes, bro. WhatsApp, I'm fine.
Okay, so now, like in today's video, we are going to debate, and in this video, just we will debate on one topic. That's online classes versus offline classes. So you will choose online classes, and I will choose offline classes. But first of all, before starting this video,
Okay,
please introduce yourself.
okay. So, first of all, my name is Shubham Pancha, and I am from Maharashtra. Can I start now?
Yeah, we can
Can I
start.
start debate?
Yeah, you can start.
Yes. Today I am going to speak on the topic online classes. I think online classes are the best as compared to the offline classes because in online classes we don't need to go colleges, schools, and attend classes there. We can attend classes from home, and we can save our time. We can save our time, and we can learn variety of or we can learn variety of things. Means we can learn anything from home, and we can learn something new from the YouTube, but we can't learn something new in the colleges, in offline classes, because in offline classes there are they uh, they have same teaching method. That's why online classes are the best.
Yeah, but in my opinion, offline classes are better for us because in offline classes, just what can we do? We can understand something in a very easy way, and in a very right way we can understand that thing. Because suppose I give you an example. Suppose we have to understand science chapter, or we have to understand math chapter. So how will you understand? If you are attending online classes, so just you can understand, yeah, I know, but you can't understand in a very proper manner or in a very correct manner. There can be network issue. You know network issue is the biggest problem, that we are not able to attend any kind of class. So just if you have any kind of network issue, so you can't attend the class. So but in offline classes you can attend the class very easily, because you don't have to see the network, like network is good or bad. Just you have to just clear your mind, or just you have to just focus on that topic, and after that you can understand that topic very easily, because the sir will tell you in a very proper manner and in a very easy manner. Sir will tell you, and there will not be any kind of network issue, and you can understand math chapter or science chapter very easily. It's my point.
But bro, my point is, I think if we can't understand any topic, there are more means uh, in YouTube there are variety of videos. We can watch these videos, and we can understand any chapter, and we can use ChatGPT also. And I think today's technology is very developed. That's why online classes are the best. And but in through offline classes we can't save our time.
Okay.
How would you save your time to offline classes?
Yeah, you are right. You are absolutely right that we can't save our time. But one thing I want to say you, I would like to say you, like suppose you have just like if you are watching the screen, if you are watching the screen daily, every day, and for 12 hours, 24 hours, just if you are watching the screen, if you are seeing the screen, so definitely you will lose your eyes. And when you lose your eyes, you can't see anything, and if you can't see anything, how is it possible? Just you will learn something better in your life. You will learn something, you can say something very important you will learn, you can't learn. Why? Because you don't have eyes now. Because now if you are seeing the screen continuously, so just you can't become successful, and just you will lose your eyes, and definitely you will regret in future that why did I watch mobile, why did I see the screen. So it's my point. So that's why I'm saying offline classes are better for us than online classes.
But bro, I will tell you tell you one thing. If we have means if we are if we are using means if we are watching too much time too too much screen, then you said me our eyes means uh, uh,
Yeah, we will lose our
we are
eyes.
getting we will lose our eyes. But we have precautions. Yeah, we can use precautions. Means we can use glasses while we watching the screen. If we use glasses and we follow the proper rules, then uh, we uh, we will not lose our eyes. That's why online classes are the best.
Yeah. But I would like to say you one more point. What is that point? Suppose offline classes, yeah, like I am talking about offline classes. So I will tell you what is the benefit of offline classes. Like suppose like sir is explaining you something, and in that case there is network issue. What will you do in that case? That's the main thing. What will you do? You can't something instantly. Why? Because there will be network issue on your mobile, on your laptop, and there will be big screen also, and there will be small screen also. You will have to see the screen. But in offline classes you will not have to see the screen. Just you can just means you will have to see the board, blackboard, and just you will have to copy that answer, and just you can copy that answer. And suppose test, yeah, I would like to talk about test. Suppose sir is taking test. So how will sir check your test? Sir can't check your test. Why? Because in online classes, just sir will not focus on you. Sir will not focus on you. Why? Because just you are in online classes, and sir can't check you. Like you are cheating or not, you are doing cheating or not. Like this, sir can't check. But in offline classes, sir can definitely check. And in that case, if you are not doing cheating, so as you know, like if we don't do cheating, and just if we do hard work continuously, so definitely we can become a successful person. So just what you have to do, like suppose you are continuously doing cheating, and just you are not doing hard work, you are not doing smart work, so in that case you can't become successful. And definitely at that time the people will say you are failure. So it's my point. And that's why I'm saying offline classes are better for us.
Okay, you are absolutely right, bro. But the question is about network. They means there is no network issue daily. We will get network issue sometime, but we can wait and we can wait and we will attend online classes after our network will come. Means after our network will came, then we will attend online classes. And the question is about cheating. Uh, if who has to cheat uh, 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 means if you have to cheat, you can cheat uh, easily anywhere in offline classes. You can see news. Uh, you can see news. People means students are teaching in offline tests also, but uh, we can't stop teaching. You know my point.
Yeah, I know your point. Like but it depends on us. Like I would like to say you one point. Like if you want to progress in your life, if you want to do something in your life, so in that case you will not have to do cheating. Cheating, as you know, cheating is a very big thing, and it is a very bad thing. So in that case, if you are doing cheating, so just you can't stop you can't stop yourself, and you can't also control your mind. But just if sir is telling you, so just you will understand, like, yeah, I don't have to do cheating. Yeah, if I do cheating, so I can't become successful. But just if sir is not telling you in online classes, so just you will not understand this thing, like, I don't have to do cheating so that I can't become successful. So you can't understand yourself. Why? Because just you don't know whether cheating is bad or good, you can say. So if you don't know, so definitely in that case, it's not your mistake, but the one mistake you are doing, that like, you are attending online classes, you can say. But in that case, if you are attending offline classes, and just in that case, if sir is telling you, so definitely you will understand that point, and just you will not do cheating, and you can become successful person. It's my point.
But bro, I will tell you one advantage of online classes. If you attend online classes from home, then our time will be saved, and we can use this time to learn to learn something new. And if we have to become successful, then the time is most important. But offline classes, we can't save our time outside the home and attend there. Then after that, we have to come home. Then because of that, our time will be wasted.
Yeah.
Too much time will be wasted. This is my point.
Yeah. So in the end, I can say online classes are also better for us, and offline classes are also better for us, you can say. So
Yes, yes, yes.
uh
There are some disadvantages and some advantages.
yeah. So just like in the end, I want to ask you one question. What, like, you can say, what advice do you want to give to the audience? What advice?
Means i- if if uh, if you have enough time, then you can attend offline classes. But you don't have enough time, then you can attend online classes to home. That is my opinion.
Yeah.
You can attend both classes. It depends on us.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Now we are ending this video, and just audience, if you like this video, then like, subscribe, and share. And just you can also give feedback in the comment. So thank you, Shubham sir. And now we will meet once again, you can say, and just we will debate like this. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Surya sir. We will meet again.
Yeah. Thank you.